Okay, now members, we are going to see how we find the equation of a line if we are given a gradient and then an intercept, and then we are going to see different conditions. Now, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, to start with, let us see what we need to find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line of y equal to mx plus c. We say this is the general equation of a line. So to find this equation of the equation of a line in this form, we need the gradient m of this line and the y-axis intercept c. So this y-axis intercept, we call it c. This one here. So what do we do? Now we are going to be seeing given conditions. How do we get that through the given conditions? Okay, here the first condition is given the gradient and the intercept. Now let us see. Find the equation of a line with gradient -3. So remember they are giving us the gradient and the y-axis intercept 5. So meaning, if I want my equation y equal to mx plus c, they are giving me the gradient, so they are giving me the gradient as -3 and the y-axis intercept 5. So our c is 5. So all I do, I just come and I substitute here. So my y now will be my m, which is -3x plus c, which is 5. Simple as that. So this will be my line. Then this one, the same, they are giving me now with the gradient half and y-axis intercept -4. So here my m is a half. Here my c is -4. So I put in my equation, where my equation is y equal to mx plus c. So my y will be a half x now plus -4, which is going to be the same as y equal to half x minus 4. Negative and positive, you get a negative. Some people go on to possible prime, but it's okay if you leave it there. Now this is the condition they give. When they give you the gradient and the intercept, it's just substitute. Now let us see. If they give you the gradient and they don't give you the intercept, but they give you a point where this line passes, what happens? So given the gradient and the point where it passes, the line, find the equation of the line with the gradient. So in our solution, always need, this is, we need the gradient with the intercept. So they are giving us gradient, so we have our m as 4. And they are giving us a point where this line passes. They are giving us a point, -2, 3. So first of all, the substitute this here, y equal to 4x, then plus c. Now, if we know that this line is passing through this point, what happens? It means that this one is satisfying this equation here. So meaning, if I have my point, so at -2, 3, it's that here x is -2 and y is 3. So now we substitute this equation so that we get the c. So putting here, I have 3 equal to 4, then plus c. This will be 3 equal to -8 plus c. When I take that side, I have now 3 equal to c, and this will be 11. Now you have also the intercept, then you just substitute into the equation. So y will be 4x plus now 11. That will be the equation. Now, the alternative, what I want to show you is, if you have the point where this line is passing and you have the gradient, alternatively, this is the shorter method. Now, if you have the gradient as y is equal to 4, and you have a point where this line is passing, the easiest method of getting the equation of the line is y minus y1 equal to the gradient, then this will be x minus x1. Where x1 and the x1 and y1, these are the coordinates of any point where this line passes. So, if I call this x1, I call this y1, x coordinate, the y coordinate. I'm just going to substitute. I have this, I have x1, I have y1. So this x and this y, they are always in our equation. So what happens? So I'll be having now, you see that here, my x1 is -2. And my y1 is 3. Can you substitute? I have y minus 3 equal to the gradient, which is 4, into x minus x1, but you see x1 is going to be now -2. x1 is -2. So this will be y into x. Now this one is going to be plus 2. And open brackets will be equal to 4x plus this times this 4x, this times this, we get 8. So now take this side, you have y equal to 4x plus 8, then plus 3, and so our y becomes 4x plus 11. That is also the other method. I think this one is a bit shorter. Now, let us go through this one now. Now here they are giving us 2 points where the line is passing. 2 points on the line, or they can tell you the line is passing through those 2 points. So find the equation of the line that joins the points A and B. So this line is passing through A. If it joins them, it means that it's passing through them. Now, there the easiest method is we use the formula to get the gradient. As simple as that. All we do, we know that orange, our gradient, look at the equation of the gradient, so our m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So these points, I have a 1, 4, and I have b 2, 2. So x1, y1. This is let me call it x2, y2. And I substitute. So my m will be y2, which is 2, minus 4, y1 over x2, which is 2, minus x1, which is 1. This will be negative 2 over 1. So my gradient is negative 2. So if you have the gradient, now you can use the idea that you have the gradient now and the point where line passes. Now we are coming back to this. So from there, I can just say that this will be minus y1 equal to n into x minus x1. So you have either you choose this point or you choose this, it's up to you. Everything is going to give you the same answer. So y minus, now my y1, 4, equal to my n, which is negative 2, into x minus x1, which is 1. So, we open the brackets, y minus 4 will be negative 2, this times this. The negative and the negative, we get a positive, 2 times 1, we get 2. Then take this side, your y will be now 2x minus plus 2, then plus 4. When this one crosses the anti-cosine, it becomes a positive. So y will be negative 2x, 2 plus 4, you get 6. Even if you use this point here, it will be giving you the same answer. So that's it. Okay, let me use this point now. Someone should be the same as y2 equal to m into x minus x2. It will be the same. Y minus my y2 is 2 equal to my gradient, which is negative 2, into x minus x2, which is 2. Can you open brackets? So y minus 2, this will be negative 2x, negative and negative, you get positive 4. So take this side, you have y equal to negative 2x plus 4. Then when this crosses the cosine, it becomes positive. So my y becomes negative 2x plus 6. And this is the same. So this was an alternative. So any point you use, it will be giving you the same answer. So that's it, members. I wish you well.